Hey guys, this is Dharmik, and in this video I am going to show you how I exactly built a payment automation platform within hours using AI. So let's call this app ZSure. So the idea behind ZSure is very simple. Businesses need an easy way to create payment links, collect payments, manage subscription and track transactions. Think of it as a lightweight razor pay specifically designed for small businesses. So the first step is defining the product. Most people make the mistake of opening an AI app and just saying, build me a payment app. And here's where things go wrong. AI can write code for you, but it can't read your mind. So before generating anything, I'll give Noah a very detailed prompt. I'll mention the exact tech stack, React and strict TypeScript. I'll define the aesthetic, a sleek, dark SaaS UI using Tailwind CSS and Framer Motion. I'll list the exact pages we need, and to keep us moving fast, I'll tell it to build a mock database using local storage that automatically seeds realistic data on the first load. So within minutes, Noah generated an entire application. Now before we add anything else, let's walk through the code first. So look at this folder structure. It perfectly separated our concerns into components, pages, context and utils. Because I asked for strict TypeScript, there are no lazy any types. Every entity, user, customer, payment link, transaction has a dedicated interface. And look at this storage.ts file. Noah built a complete CRUD wrapper around local storage, making our app feel like it has a real backend. So now when we open the browser, the app is live. The dashboard is presented nicely. We have beautiful KPI cards with richer sparklines, and the Framer Motion sidebar collapses very perfectly. But it's just a shell. Now we need to make it fully functional, and that's where iterative prompting comes in. Now instead of asking for everything at once, I use an edit prompt. To add 3 specific features to the transaction page, I ask Noah to add an add transaction button that opens a model, an export CSV button and an import CSV button. I explicitly instruct it to use the existing local storage utility, keep the dark SaaS aesthetic, use our existing toast notification and refresh the list without reloading the page. And just like that, it works. I can click add transaction, select a currency, mark it as paid and hit submit. The model closes, a success toast pops up and the table updates instantly. I can even click export to download a perfectly formatted CSV of the current table or import the CSV to bulk add records. The logic Noah wrote to parse and validate CSV is flawless. Now for the final touch, I give Noah one more edit prompt. I want an edit button on every single row in the transaction table. I tell it to reuse the exact same model we just built for the add feature, but prefill it with the transactions data and change the button text to save changes. By telling the AI to reuse existing components, we can prevent our code base from becoming bloated. Now I can click the edit icon, update a failed payment to successful and save it. Everything updates seamlessly. So within hours, the application is transformed completely. Businesses can now sign up, create payment links, manage their customers and track transactions, all from a single dashboard. So the biggest lesson from this exercise isn't that AI can write code faster. It's that AI can dramatically reduce the distance between idea and execution. So the bottleneck in software development is no longer implementation. The bottleneck is clarity. If you know exactly what you are building, how to structure your prompt and how to iterate your code, AI can help you move at the speed that would have been impossible a year ago. A few hours ago, ZSure was only in my head. Within hours, it's a working, clickable application. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.